Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss TCS NQT questions that were asked in NQT 2020. In this video, we will discuss only numerical ability questions with answers. However, we will make videos for all the sections one by one, but it will depend on your response on this video and a few upcoming videos. And these questions will be definitely important for NQT 2021. And this was the pattern in NQT 2020. We will discuss all the questions that came in NQT 2020 as per these sections and number of questions. And it was our first question. A sales representative's commission is 6% on all sales up to rupees 15,000 and 5% on all sales exceeding this. He remits 47,350 rupees to his company after deducting his commission. What were the total sales? So correct option for this was option A, 50,000. And friends, one more thing. If you want the solution for all these questions step by step, then I can do the same. But for that, please comment if you want the solution or not. But in this video, my motive is just to give you the idea, the type of question and the level of question that are generally asked in NQT. And we have provided all the questions along with answer so that you can try to solve yourself. If you want the solution, then please comment. I will definitely make the video for all these questions with solution. When the list price of an article is fixed at 30% above the cost price and will selling the same, it is subjected to a discount of X%. The profit percentage is 80% of that when the LP is fixed at 25% above the CP and the discount is 16%. What is the value of X? So these all options were incorrect and correct answer is 20. Now third one. The ratio of average speed of two sprinters A and B is 8:7. In a racing track, if B starts at a distance 2 meter ahead of A, at what distance in meter from the starting point of B would A catch up with B? So in this case also options were incorrect and the correct answer is 14. A sum invested in compound interest at a certain rate for 3 years earns the same interest as it would earn. A sum invested in compound interest at certain rate for 3 years earns the same interest as it would earn by the way of an investment in simple interest at the rate of 18.2% for 4 years. How much more or less is the percentage rate in case of the CI than that in case of the SI? So the correct answer for this is 1.8%. Now question 5th. With the symbols having their usual meanings, the mean of the data given below is 39.2. So it is the frequency of given data in this column. So what is the missing frequency? So correct answer is 15. What is the fourth proportional of the mean proportional between 4, 6.25, 0.0027, 300, 1.2 into 10 raised to power negative 3 and 3? The correct answer will be 43.92. What is the mean deviation from the median of the data given below? Data is 34, 46, 28, 48 and correct option was 8. And in this case also all options were incorrect. In most of the questions options are incorrect. In a competitive exam, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and for every wrong answer 2 marks are deducted. Satvik scored 32 marks in the examination. If 4 marks has been awarded for each correct answer and 1 marks had been deducted for each incorrect answer, Satvik would have scored 34 marks. If Satvik attempted all the questions, how many questions were there in the test? So option D is correct, 26. Raju lends rupees 3,000 to Bharat and a certain sum to Charan at the same time at 6% per annum simple interest. If after 5 years Raju altogether receives 1,650 rupees as the interest from Bharat and Charan, what is the sum lent to Charan? So option A is correct, rupees 2,500. What is the difference between the range and the standard deviation of all the natural numbers between 81 and 90, both inclusive? So both 81 and 90 should be included while calculating the range and standard deviation. So all options are incorrect in this question also and correct answer is 7.13. What is the simplified value of this? So we have to find the value of this term and correct option was 2.54. The area of a sector with central angle 15 degree of a circle is 231 square centimeter. If pi is equal to 22/7, What is the circumference in centimeter of the circle? So correct answer was 264. The total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 75 times of the area of a circle whose diameter is 6 centimeter. What is the radius in centimeter of the hemisphere? So correct answer is 15. A takes 10 days less than B to complete a work and together they do it in 12 days. In how many days can B alone do the work? So correct answer is 30. And guys, I am repeating once again, if you want the solution then please comment. I will solve all these questions so that I can be able to help you in a better way. A shopkeeper calculated his profit as 12% with the selling price of an article as the base. What would have been his actual profit percentage if the selling price was 20% more? So correct answer is 36.66. The sum of ages of two friends is 74. After 1 year, the ratio of their ages will be 9:10. What was the ratio of their ages 9 years ago? So correct answer is 13:15. The table below presents the data of atmospheric pressure in area of Mercury at a place at 4 different times of the day during 4 days PQRS. A steady rise in the atmospheric pressure increases a fair weather. On which of the given days was the fair weather? So correct answer is C. Also please note that days are marked as P, Q, R and S in the question, but in the options it is given as A, B, C and G. In case of frequency distribution of 10 continuous classes, the class width is 4 and lower class limit of the lowest class is 8. What is the upper class limit for the highest class? So correct answer will be 48. What is the simplified value of this term? So we have to find the simplified value of this term and it will be 5, option B. 10 men can complete a work in 8 days and 10 women take 12 days to complete the same work. How many days will 3 men and 6 women take to complete the same work? So option A is correct. 11 plus 3 by 7. A retailer purchases several pens of the same cost for rupees 384 and then sells some of them for rupees 114 at no loss or gain. What is the least possible number of the pens that he will be left with? So correct answer is 45. The percentage marks scored by two students A and B at 4 consecutive monthly tests are depicted in the bar graph given below. In which month is the percentage marks scored by B 40% more than that of A? So all options are incorrect in this case also, and correct answer is August. This is your correct answer, August. So guys, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe this channel IT India.